Don't create a boring presentation. Give it a cinematic flair. Insert the video into the slide and adjust its placement appropriately. From the playback option, select Automatically and enable Loop until stopped. Insert a text box and enter the content. Choose the font size and color for the text. Move the text box downward. Select the text box, then go to the Animation tab, and choose Lines under Motion Paths. From the Effect option, select Up. Select With Previous, enter the timing option and set the duration to 10 seconds. In the Effect options of the animation pane, set the values to 0 as shown here. Drag the red dot upwards and the green dot downwards. Click the Show button and watch the magic unfold. Save the reel for future reference, and follow the page for more such tips.